In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys a day in the life as homeschoolers. Throughout my homeschooling journey, I have had many different changes in curriculum, changes in style, changes in rhythm, and we just had a very rough season in life again. And I realized that certain things are more important than others. So one of the most important things for me is to enjoy my children and have them enjoy the days with me as I'm teaching them. There's some kids out there who can do child-led learning and they're self-motivated and they have interests that they would want to study, but that's not the case over here. So it is my job to present them with different subjects, activities, projects, to see what they could get excited about and develop passion for. So this week I'm going to be doing some vlogs and going forward as well, and I hope to show you guys how we are incorporating more fun and hands-on learning, but still learning our core subjects as well. So let's get into the video. Welcome to a day in our homeschool life. Today I'm inviting you behind the scenes to see how we balance learning, laughter, and the little moments that make homeschooling so rewarding. Whether we're diving into creative projects, exploring new ideas, or just taking things at our own pace, each day brings something special. So grab a cozy spot and let's spend a day together. If you're new to my channel, my name is Vani and I make videos to help you on your homeschooling journey. Okay guys, so things are being adjusted slowly. If you saw my other video, I told you guys I was trying to slowly get back to normal. We were using time for learning. Now we're just cutting it down to lessons. So I tested my daughter yesterday in all the units of the Good and the Beautiful level 3 because we never finished it, and she passed everything. She knew everything. So we're moving on to level 4. And so the first thing we're going to do is go to the challenging spelling words and give her 12 words to spell. So I'm going to have her write it on this whiteboard while I have my breakfast. And then my son, even though he's not too happy about it, he's going to be jumping back to finish level 7 of the Good and the Beautiful, because when he is done this, he is ready for the high school level course. This also, I like that it teaches geography also, and grammar, whereas the time for learning, it doesn't seem to teach grammar. It's just reading and understanding things. And I hope to continue to read this during our break over the Woodward Wall before the library calls it back. The only reason why it's not due is because of the hurricanes we had here. The libraries were shut down. So so that's what we're going to do right now. The next word is
that right?
Yeah. Okay, next word. So guys, I just got excited because I realized that level 4 of the Good and the Beautiful, I'm actually going to take this somewhere else, is made to be independent. Let me go somewhere else. All right, so I was saying that I'm happy that the level 4 of the Good and the Beautiful is independent, that she can do by herself, because now I have the classes to create from her for the co-op at 4 this year, but I'm also tutoring an adorable little girl this year, and that's twice a week. So during those 2 days, if both of my kids are doing their independent work, most of it won't set us back at all, and I have more attention to give to this little one, and the kids are still getting their schoolwork done and they're still learning a lot. So that makes me excited, and I can't wait till she moves to level 4 of the Good and the Beautiful, because that is also independent. She gets to watch the videos and then I come in and check. Then I have free time to work on my business endeavors and all the different projects that I have while sitting with her and helping the kids as they need help. So she's going to finish her lesson of the Good and the Beautiful, and then we are going to move on to something that's a little bit more fun, and then we'll do math and we'll swap back and forth. The level 4 course has a spelling and writing workshop, so I'm excited about that because it'll help to get her at the level she's supposed to be in writing. I thought it would be fun to learn how to draw stick figures. I've had this book for I feel like it's been 10 years. And we've never had the kids have never wanted to draw it. So I wanted to learn how to draw. So Aaron's going to draw with me different stick figures for the purpose of playing our new favorite game, which is Telestrations. So if you guys have never played this game, Just go on YouTube and look up how to play it. It is hilarious. And this one is 12 players. It's so much fun. And we want to get better at drawing a little bit, right, baby?
Yeah.
So this one they said is good if you want to draw clothes or show like more detail of what the stick figure is. Or if you want to show that he's fat or that he's muscular, you can use this shape.
I'm not good at drawing heads. What is it?
These are his muscles.
Terrible.
Just my businessman, my muscular man like Popeye, and your pretty little girl. Let's see what other shapes we can do.
Wait a minute.
Here go our final creations.
I need to...
Now we just have to remember everything, which we probably won't. Very cute.
Wait, did you show it?
What the heck? Kaylee?
It's literally a soccer ball.
Oh, I thought that was. Oh yeah, soccer.
Oh, we could have did volleyball too.
Yeah, I thought this was a net.
Yeah, it is. It's a soccer net. Oh, the next thing I want to do is yesterday we went to a homeschool group that had. Yesterday we went to a homeschool group. It was a country study about China. So I went on ChatGPT and I looked up, I typed in everything that I wanted to teach her about China, like all the notes that I had taken, and I made a lesson plan, but I lost it. Where is it? Yeah, okay, so today we're gonna do an introduction to China and geography. And we're gonna start with the short video and a couple of these things here. What, do you remember which largest country? I just said it. It's the largest country in the world, the fourth largest country in the world.
And this is definitely the first. Russia.
Yeah, Russia's huge. And then we're going to review with the fun fact about China's unique landscapes. So, all right. So I really like this site. It's this channel. It's called Learn Bright. And they have, this is what I use for my science classes, because they have a ton of different videos on different things, and they're not like quick 4-minute videos. They're like 8 minutes or 6 minutes, and they're a little longer than so they give a little bit more detail. So I remembered that I found this in my bookshelf, the 7 Amazing Continents, and since we're doing the country studies, we decided to do the China one in here. And so the last thing that has to be done is draw the Great Wall of China. So while Arilyn looks through the book of countries, that's Fiji. Oh. My son and he's finished some of his work. I bought him this Edgar Allan Poe illustrated Usborne. Is this an Usborne book? It's not an Usborne book. But it's an illustrated Edgar Allan Poe book, and it has all the poems in here. And again, using the ChatGPT, I created a unit study for him. I thought it'd be fun to do that since it's almost Halloween. And we can learn about Edgar Allan Poe, who's a weirdo, but he's awesome. I enjoyed my study of him when I was growing up, and I was in 7th grade actually. And I memorized the poem The Raven, so I think Aaron might have to memorize the poem. he finished his first timeline. It's actually the first timeline I ever had him do. He still needs to work on his handwriting, but that's his first timeline of Edgar Allan Poe. And now we are finishing up. We had a little break, and we're just going to finish up the writing workshop. We're going to read a little bit of this book here. Bob. It's called Bob, and it was a read aloud that I read to Marilyn and her brother years ago. I think it was like maybe the second or third read aloud we had ever done. And now I'm going to have her read it. And then after that, we are going to just finish up her math lesson from yesterday that she didn't get to finish. That way it's not too long of a day. So she's learning how to multiply a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number and with carrying over. Then she has some of this stuff to do, some of the review. So at the end of today, I was very pleased with our homeschool day. Like, I haven't had a day like this. I'll say we, because it all comes down to how we feel at the end of the day, if we feel accomplished or not. Probably shouldn't be that way, but it is. But, you know, we had a great day. The kids were happy to do their work. Anyway, my daughter was super happy to do the work. My son kind of just wants to skip through everything just to play his games and stuff. So we are working through that, and I have some goals for this month to change that. But overall, we had a really good day. So tonight we have a costume party, a fall costume party that the kids, not both of my kids, my son and his friends have been doing since they were like 4, 5, and 6-year-olds. So today is another day like that. So I'm going to take you with us a little bit, show you just a little bit of our homeschool friends. They're homeschool friends from our co-op, and we get to do lots of things with them. So I'm going to show you a little bit more of that, and then I'm going to end this video. So I'm going to let you see that, and then I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. But don't go away, because I'm about to play the clip. Nice. Good job, Aaron.